Hi everybody, it's Miss Hildreth again, and this is our day 2 slide. So students will watch the YouTube video that I have created. It will explain what they need to do, complete the map activity. Okay, so here's the deal. If you're sitting at home and you're watching this video, it means that you can't get a paper copy, or if you want, you can print out the paper copy. I'm okay with it. It's totally up to you. Okay, if you want to print out slides 8 and 9, or if you just want to drag and drop, I'm okay with that too. So students will use the link to get to know Greece's slideshow to complete the maps that are provided on slides 8 and 9, or the paper copy of the map. So I posted this link, and hopefully it's going to bring it up. Might take a minute. My computer runs really slow. Let me close out of Home Depot classroom. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's loading. Bear with me a second. But let me go back over. So on the digital version, you're going to drag and drop the places in the symbols. So you'll click on Mediterranean Sea, you'll put Mediterranean Sea where it goes. You'll click on Mount Olympus, you'll put it where it goes. Your orange stars represent the Central Plains. So where you think the Central Plains are, you'll drag and drop it. Down here, if you scroll over, you have Athens, Olympia, Corinth, Macedonia, Turkey, Knossos, Zante, Crete, Bulgaria, Albania, Delphi, and Sparta. So you're going to drag them. You'll put them over here by the dots. So that's what the directions are. Excuse me. Okay. And if you're in class, the kids in class can have a choice as well. I just know a lot of kids thought it was a lot easier to do it on paper, but if you're at home, I don't know how to get you the paper unless you want to print it out and go off of that. So this is a slideshow, and it shows where Greece is located. It shows the surrounding waters: Ionian, Aegean, Mediterranean. And then it gives you a little bit of a description. It says Greece is the peninsula, which means it is surrounded on 3 sides by water. Those 3 seas are the Mediterranean Sea, the Ionian Sea, and the Aegean Sea. Greece has 4 neighbors. They are Albania, Macedonia, Bulgaria, and Turkey. Italy is very close to Greece. It is just across the Ionian Sea. Okay. Islands. Greece is made up of thousands of islands. Although numbers vary, it is often said there are 3,000 islands in Greece, but that people only live on 227 of them. 80% of Greece is mountainous, but there were 2 mountains that were more important than any other ancient times. One, right here, Mount Olympus, was considered the home of the gods, so Greek mythology. Mount Parnassus was located outside of Del, where the Oracle of Delphi resided. It was also sacred to the god Apollo. So we have 2. Okay. And then fun facts, the Vikos Gorge, which is number 3, is the deepest gorge in the world. So you'll have to move your mountains into place. Climate. Most of Greece has a Mediterranean climate. It has hot, dry summers, cool, wet winters. Northern Greece has an alpine climate called a mountainous climate. Temperatures are always cool or cold. There is often rain or snow. Okay, between Mount Olympus and Mount Parnassus is a large central plain in Greece that is good for growing crops. Grains, vegetables, herbs, and the orchards all exist in this area, but Greece is not known for olives and grapes. So that's our agriculture. Okay, city-states. Athens. This was the wealthiest and most powerful city-state. It was the birthplace of democracy and was home to over 250,000 people. Athenians valued theater, philosophy, art, and education. Sparta. Sparta was the main competitor to Athens. They valued bravery, toughness, and conquest. Boys began military training at the age of 7. Men lived in the military barracks even when married, and women were farmers back home. So we have Knossos, Sparta, Athens, Corinth, Olympia, and Delphi. Today's major cities. Athens is the capital and the largest city in the entire country by far. Despite being around for more than 3,400 years, Athens is a modern metropolis. Okay, now I always mess these names up, so bear with me. Thessaloniki, with a population of half, which is up here in the north, with a population half the size of Athens, Thessaloniki is the second largest city in Greece. It is famous for beaches, hip nightlife, and huge ports. Patras. On Peloponnesus, Patras is the third largest metropolitan area. That's a tongue twister. It is home to many colleges. So that's right there. The flag of Greece. Okay, I'm going to try to get out of the way. The cross represents Eastern Orthodox Christianity. Okay, the official religion of the nation. Although some say the blue and white represents the sea and the sky, the 9 horizontal stripes have been said to stand for the 9 syllables in the Greek phrase freedom or death, the 9 letters in the Greek word freedom, or the 9 muses from Greek mythology. Okay, so that was the slideshow. Okay, so what you're going to do is you will use these slides to be able to find out where these cities are on this map and where the mountains, where the oceans and the central plains are on this map. Okay, so like I said, if you're at home, just drag and drop them into place, or if you want to print out and write in the names, you can go ahead and do so. So I don't think I missed, let me just make sure I didn't miss any. Oh, I'm sorry. I need to say one other thing. One thing that you also need to do is take these little blue clouds and you'll click on them and you'll drag them to where water would be. So if water is here, you'll put it here, or you'll put it here, or you'll put it here. Okay. And the green triangle represents Greece. So you're going to, if this is Greece, you're going to put it here. And you're going to use the triangles. Oh, sorry about that. The triangles and the clouds to represent water and Greece. And you'll, sorry about that. And you'll put those in the correct spots too as well. Sorry about that. I forgot about that part. Because if you're in class, we'll be coloring them. Okay. That's why a lot of kids would prefer to, they would prefer, and if you want, there's directions right here. But most of the kids would prefer to have a map and just color the places. You know, it's one of those things where if you're working with it digitally, it's a little bit different. So that is day 1. That is the slideshow. You do have the link. If you want to just listen to me read it, you can use that. I will put the video link in here. If you have any questions, like always, when you're sitting at home, please feel free to email me. Please check Google Classroom. And it does take me a little bit of time because I can't always get the assignments out right away. So I feel free to email me if you don't hear from me in the morning. All right. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.